Chill, bro, chill. Okay, so this is my second video to solving Excel problem. So yeah, I've already downloaded one text from the belajarexcel.id. You can check it out if you want to try some text in Excel and check your skill in Excel, right? Okay, so let's going forward to the task. So the case author is still same, Andy Stieri. I don't know, I think he might be the founder of the belajarexcel.id, or maybe the worker in belajarexcel.id, or even maybe like the volunteer who just have the idea of the question. Maybe belajarexcel.id accepted the offer and then he make it, but I don't know. Something like that. So now they're introducing the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It's apa itu singkatannya dari, aduh lupa lagi bahasa Inggrisnya. Oh yeah, VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup and HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup, like that. We'll explain it while I'm solving the problem. Okay, let's straight to the first task. Fill up the name of the customer using VLOOKUP function or HLOOKUP function from the customer table. Okay, so they're providing the example of the text that I already solved. 1 November, BK. Oh, okay. Okay. So the first task going to be VLOOKUP, which is lookup value. This is AB1, comma. I have already set my Excel to separate each value or each cell with comma. If you're still using the semicolon, you can search on the YouTube how to change it to a comma, but I already did that, I mean. So okay. And then the table, call index num number 2, and then range lookup is true, number 1. This will be right. Okay. Product name. So the text number 1 already solved, which is, we can check it after I already finished all of the task. Okay, let's forward to the number 2. Fill up the product name from the code product. Okay, I think it's using HLOOKUP. Lookup value is this one. Table array, it should be this one. Row index num should be number 2 and true. Oh shit. And A, it means our reference are wrong. What is this? Oh, okay, got it. Okay, number 2 is solved. And number 3, fill up the dependent price from the table product. I think it's same. Here's lookup value. This, or maybe this. Table array, this one. Row index num number 3, and then true. I will explain it. I will after I already fill up all of the question. Quantity times, okay, so quantity times okay, so there asks us to make a condition. If the quantity is more than 500, so they will get the discount of 20% off. If the quantity is more than 200, they will get the 10% off of the discount. It means that if the quantity is more than 500, it's going to be 20%, so 0.2. False if the quantity is more than 200, maybe 0.1. Oh, 20%, so 0.1. 0.2, like this. False, 0. Oh wait, is it like this? Okay, so now the final answer. So this minus this times this. I think so. Okay, now I'm going to explain something. So the first one is VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. We can see from the table, which is our reference cell is the vertical. The table is vertical. I mean, the code or the reference that we use in here, which is in the cell of the what is this? Like a div in here, D47, reference to the vertical of the table in here. So the n number, what it is, like n48, all the way down to the n50, right in here. So this is vertical. You can see the difference when we use the H lookup, which is horizontal lookup. The reference of the horizontal lookup is exactly to the horizontal, like straight to the right. But for the vertical, is straight to down, right? So that is the difference. And I think this is already exactly straightforward function. They already provided the information in here, like lookup value, table array, call index num, which is column index number, which is where is the value do you want to make a result, or you want to show in the reference of the cell. For example, in here I type the call index num number 2. It means that I want to provide, or I want to make a result of the nama pelanggan, which is name of the customer, Toko Ahmad Budiman. If I reference to number 1 like this, it's gonna be error, I think. Or no, it says will provide the same value as the reference, which is AB1 to AB1, right? So that's why this goes to number 2. Something like that. So I can immediately copy it all the way down and then Control V. Oh yeah, I left something, which is if you're using the VLOOKUP function, you should lock it with F4 with the dollars. You can see the difference. This is this is unlocked. This is locked. There is a dollar right there, right? So we should do that. So the reference will not goes anywhere. Is still in here, even though we'll copy it to anywhere, right? This as well. Type F4. Then yep. Oh no. Goes down. This as well. And oh my goodness. Dang, wait. Okay. Copy it, go down. Copy it, go down. Copy it, go down. And copy it, go down. Number 7, what we should do. What should I do, I mean. Sum the total of the quantity and the... Huh? Oh, in here. We can just type the shortcut of the sum, which is Alt plus equal. Like this. Enter. And then the average is actually average. Just type the average and then make the reference of the quantity in here. And then I do some mistake. Oh no, it's like the same. Total of the cells. We can type this like this. Alt, and then okay. Average. Alright, this. Now it's time to check. Right, but I'm going to go to the website. An Excel test. Check the answer. I want to split my screen. Just copy the code. Then type it here. And then the answer code as well. Just copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and then start check. Exactly. 100, right? So this is great. And yeah. It's still important, and we do have to learn about the fundamental, because I think if we have like strength or kuat itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Like fundamental yang kuat, the strong fundamental, we will able to solve like any complex problem in the future, right? So that's enough for the today. This is second problem that I have solved. And I need to practice more. Goodbye.